All right, this is Team Synapse presenting our project Implicit Security. I'm Lou.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Don.
And now we're going to give you a run through of our application.
Alright, so the general idea of the application is instead of using a traditional password which uses a PIN-based lock or some other non-secure metric, we instead want to use your own pictures and the path you can draw your own path through the picture in order to make the password, and it uses things such as the speed, the angle, the pressure of your drawing in order to ascertain if you're the valid user.
Excellent. So as he's drawing these paths, he has to draw it over 15 times to verify the path. And with this, we will normalize the path to make the most strict password.
So here I'm entering the last password. I had a previous password for this image, so yes, I want to replace it. So after this, we can look at the settings. And in the settings, we have things such as choosing whether or not we want pressure to count toward the authentication. We can choose whether or not to randomize the order of the pictures when you're being given passwords, or when you're being given pictures which challenge you with your password. And then we can choose whether or not to have a password chain, which is requires you to enter passwords for more than one picture in a row. If the password chain setting is off, like it is now, then it'll just be a statistical, or it'll just keep track of how many times you pass and fail for a given password. And when it's on, you will have 3 chances for each picture to attempt to pass with your password. Also, we can see that position and angle sensitivity settings. Strictly tuned is the most secure setting for both of them, so we'll use that for this. If we back out, we see we have the picture vault, which shows all the current pictures, which we have passwords for. We can see here the picture password we just added. We can also click on a picture and delete it if we want to remove it from our list of passwords. So now I'm going to test the password.
While he's doing this, Dave will be watching over his shoulder.
And he has his password. And
Has a success
now,
rate of
after
over
seeing
1.
his password, I want to try if I can pass that. However, it also recall pressure and many other stuff. So I will try my best to pass that. So it seems like I couldn't pass that, and I want to try it the other time. Yeah, still, so it works.
Now, can you do your password one more time?
Sure.
Pass. Now, Dave, would you like to try that one more time after watching him so carefully?
So it seems like he used a lower pressure, drawing from here to here. So probably I missed something.
Yeah, and then we can also see for password chains where it requires you to enter or correctly get more than one password in a row. I previously made this password, and yeah, I had remembered it incorrectly at first, but remembered it the second time, and then we draw this one. Unlock successful.
Excellent.